Hi, I'm Juby Matthew, a regulated Canadian immigration consultant with College of Immigration and Citizenship Canada. My company is Fantom Immigration Inc., which is incorporated in the province of British Columbia, Canada. We are providing services on various Canadian immigration programs. Our main services are on temporary residence programs and permanent residence programs. Temporary residence program is for people who wants to come to Canada to visit Canada, study in a designated learning institution in Canada, or to work with a Canadian employer. There are also parents, grandparents super visa, which is for parents or grandparents who wants to visit their children for a period of 2 years. Then permanent residence programs. There are federal programs and provincial programs. Federal programs are for people who wants to migrate to any Canadian province other than the province of Quebec. Provincial nominee program is specific to a particular Canadian province. For example, if you want to come to the province of British Columbia, there is BCPNP. There are certain set of criteria and conditions and the job levels for each and every programs. You need to meet the eligibility requirements in order to be applied to these programs. Another category is pilot programs. This is for people who wants to come to 2 or 3 provinces. For example, Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program. There are 4 provinces are participating. So if you meet the eligibility criteria under this program, you can get the permanent residence and you can go to either of these 4 provinces and become permanent residents. If there is another pilot program called Home Child Care Provider Program or Home Support Worker Programs. This is for people who wants to come to Canada to take care of kids or take care of elders who have high medical needs. This program allows people to come to Canada on a work permit, and after acquiring 2 years of work permit on the specific job, either nanny job or to take care of the person elderly with high medical need, they can provide this experience and become permanent residents of Canada. Another permanent residency program is business immigration. This is for business people. This program also has federal and provincial strategies. So you need to meet the conditions and criteria and the experience level in order to be eligible under this category. Next is family immigration. This is for Canadian permanent residents or citizens who wants to sponsor their parents, grandparents, spouse, dependent kids, or their siblings to Canada. There are income requirements associated with this and other eligibility criteria. Then we are also providing services to permanent residence renewal and Canadian citizenship applications. Another service is humanitarian and compassionate applications. This is for people who have sufficient reasons to get a waiver to their required conditions in order to be eligible. For example, if they don't meet the residency obligations of 2 years while they are in PR and they have sufficient medical reasons or there is a best interest of the child is involved, then the Canadian government may give them a waiver to these conditions and that will not affect their permanent residence status in Canada. Another category is Canadian Refugee System. This is for people who is suffering from internal trials or other specific reasons, and they are seeking asylum in Canada. Then the government can give them asylum in Canada, and they can gradually become permanent residents of Canada. If you need any assistance, please contact us on our number 604-401-1311 or our email address contact us at fantomimmigration.ca. You can also visit our website www.fantomimmigration.ca and ask your doubts and approach us. We will give you a thorough professional service and helps you become a temporary resident or a permanent resident in Canada. Thank you. Have a good day.